I will also check the jars. Everyone is checking the jars now.
Try, fail, fix.
And always read the jar.
He fixed it himself.
With a little help.
Today was hard, but it ended good.
Surprise! I made dinner for everyone.
Ben Canned, you cooked?
I followed the whole recipe, all by myself.
It smells very interesting.
What is in it?
Chicken, vegetables, and the special sauce from the recipe book.
Okay, dinner is ready.
It looks beautiful, buddy.
You worked very hard on this. I can tell.
You tried very hard, Ben. I can tell too. Is it good? You can tell me honestly. It is.
All the rinding opand and very unique.
Unique good or unique bad?
It is. Interesting in a way I have not tasted before.
That means you like it?
Ben Ver, what recipe did you follow?
The chicken sauce recipe. Page 12 in the blue book.
Oh. Oh, Ben. Same jar. Same shelf. He did not know. Is something wrong with the recipe? Let us just enjoy being together first.
It has a very,
Bold flavor.
very bold. Okay, Biscuit, but do not tell Ben. The bread is very good. Very, very good.
Even biscuit. Okay then.
It is. Fine. It is totally fine.
You are all eating bread. Not the chicken.
Ben, sweetheart, the chicken is very sweet.
Sweet is good. Sweet means you like it.
Chicken should not be sweet, buddy.
Is it bad? Is my dinner bad?
Ben, it is not bad. It is just...
You all stopped eating.
I tried so hard. I tried really hard.
Ben, look at me.
Nobody likes anything I make. Nobody likes anything I make. Nobody ever will. You contributed more than you believe, Ben. You helped make the bread as well. The bread is from the shop. You sliced it and put it on the plate. That is not the same. I wanted to cook something real.
Ben's sake, there are 2 jars on the shelf. One is salt, one is sugar. They look the same. I think you used the sugar.
I used the wrong jar. I did the whole recipe wrong. Ben?
I just need a minute.
Ben.
He tried very hard, Mom.
I know he did, sweetheart.
I tried so hard. It did not matter. You did not like it either. I saw your face.
You always tell the truth. Dogs always tell the truth.
I am not a good cook. Maybe I should not try again. That is Dad. I know his footsteps.
Room for one more?
It is your house.
I like the floor sometimes.
Why did you come?
Because you are here. That is the only reason I need.
I used the wrong jar. Sugar instead of salt. For everything.
That explains the taste. Every single dish?
The sauce. The vegetables. The chicken. All sweet.
Sweet chicken sauce. And sweet vegetables.
Biscuit did not like it either. He tasted it once and stopped.
Even Biscuit gave up. That is when I knew it was serious.
Was it really that bad? Tell me honestly.
It was the sweetest chicken I have ever eaten in my life. And I still ate 2 bites.
2 bites of sweet chicken. That is not normal, Dad.
You made dinner for all of us. That is not nothing.
I want to fix it. Can we fix it?
That is exactly what cooks do. Try, fail, fix.
Try, fail, fix. Let us go fix it.
Salt is the one on the left. I will never forget that.
We cannot fix the first batch. But we can start something new.
What are we making? Something simple?
Something simple. Simple is good. S-A-L-T.
Salt. S-U-G-A-R. Sugar. Very different.
Good. Always read the jar.
Can we help? Yes.
Wash the vegetables.
He seems better. Better. He is. I am going slowly. Slow is careful. Dad, are you crying?
No. It is the onion.
Onions are mean. I am glad I am not doing the onion. 1, 2, 3.
Is that enough? One more shake?
Done. This one is for us, Biscuit. but you can try it when it is ready. It looks nice.
It does.
That smells different. That smells right. That smells right. Yes, it does. Ready.
Ready.
Oh, ready?
Really ready? Ben?
This is good. It is good. Dad Phil, it is actually good. Can I try? Okay. This is not sweet. This is actually really good. You are not just saying that? I am not just saying that.
Something smells wonderful in here.
I made it again.
Benjamin. This is beautiful. You tried. You failed. You fixed it. That is everything.
Your turn, Biscuit. Tell me what you think.
He likes it. The real test.
Biscuit says it is good.
Then it is officially good.
Okay, dinner is ready.
Yes, that is it.
Ben. This tastes like summer.
Much better than the first one. Much, much better. Oh, that is really good.
You know what this is?
Dinner.
This is what happens after try, fail, fix. The good part,
Ben, are you going to cook again tomorrow? Yes. I will read the jar labels first. Every time.
She will check every jar in the house.
Probably a good idea.
Ben. I am proud of you.
Even though I used the wrong jar the first time? Especially because of that.
You know what a real cook does?
Try, fail, fix.
That is how you learn anything. Anything at all.
And always read the jar. And always read the jar. Check the jar. There.
Check the jar. Good idea, Ben.
Lily, thank you for saying the bread was good. The bread was good. I really meant it. Next time, I will make the bread better too. I believe you. That was a good dinner.
that was a great dinner.
Are you going to cook tomorrow? Yes. I will check the jars first. Deal.
I will also check the jars. You do not need to check the jars, Dad.
I will also check the jars. Everyone is checking the jars now.
Try. Fail. Fix.
And always read the jar.